Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. In today's video we will take the legendary Mercedes 300 SL for a drive. This SL is from the mid-50s. It is worth around $1.8 to $1.4 million. And in this video I will show you what it is like to drive this 300 SL Roadster. Amazing, gorgeous lines and design. So let's move from this very long bonnet to the interior. And there you can see it is in a gorgeous red color and bright steering wheel. The roof is currently open so that we can really enjoy this sunny weather here in Germany. Amazing lines. So let's go inside. To open it, you have to push this so that you have your knuckle bars and just pull it open. Amazing leather. So let's go inside. And now I want to enjoy the moment with you guys because it is very special. And Mercedes-Benz Museum, the classics, they gave me the opportunity to drive the 300 SL. So first of all, some characteristics. You have this small mirror for the rear view. And of course your light switches, just like we are used to from Mercedes-Benz with the automatic on the left side. And this is actually the handbrake. So now we turn it off. We will start the engine. Just switch the key. And there we go. We don't have any seat belts, so we can't wear them. I'll put it in the first gear. The turning radius is surprisingly good. So guys, let's hop inside and I will show you what it is like. So now that you are inside, I will show you how to put it into reverse. You just grab the handle, put it into neutral, and then push it a little bit more to the left. And let's turn it around. It feels so amazing driving this car. It is definitely in my top 5 Mercedes experiences. So if you want to see more, definitely check out Mercedes-Benz Classics at the Mercedes-Benz Museum in Stuttgart. It does have a very heavy steering wheel, which is not surprising because it is from 1956 until 1963. And to indicate, you actually have to use this on the steering wheel. Left, right, but we will go to the left. We will check our surroundings. Because as I mentioned, this car is worth between 1.8 and 2.6 million US dollars. So you have to be very careful. And a lot of people are actually enjoying the car. There are actually a lot of people noticing the 300 SL and also a lot of people smiling, and that is amazing to see. It actually feels like you're driving a supercar. because people know about the legend. And check out the 300 SL lettering here on this side. So driving the 300 SL actually feels like you're driving a supercar, because a lot of people are noticing the legendary Mercedes, and it feels amazing. This is actually a 3-liter 6-in-row with almost 215 horsepower. It also has a 300 SL emblem and lettering over here. So let's take it on a country road. And this is where you can really enjoy this special, unique and legendary vehicle. Just check out the gauges, how it wobbles around. I'm really curious to the new SL, which is coming probably in the summer. But I will keep you guys up to date. This, by the way, is not the Gullwing version. This is the Roadster, so it has the Roadster doors, which open the normal way. So guys, right now we are arrived at the Kunden Center, the center of excellence of Mercedes-Benz, where you can see all the classics parked right there. So let's put it into place. So there we arrived at the center of excellence. So thanks Mercedes-Benz Museum. So guys, I hope you liked this video with the 300 SL, and I hope to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, MercBenzKing. They're surprisingly good turning radius. So guys, let's hop inside and I will show you what it is like. So now that you are inside, I will show you how to put it into reverse. You just grab the handle, put it into neutral, and then push it a little bit more to the left, and let's turn it around. It feels so amazing driving this car. It is definitely in my top 5 Mercedes experiences. So if you want to see more, definitely check out Mercedes-Benz Classics at the Mercedes-Benz Museum in Stuttgart. It does have a very heavy steering wheel, which is not surprising.